Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Hello! Kamusta po sila? Kamusta po kayo? I hope everybody's doing well. I hope if you're just passing by, you'll consider subscribing. In today's video, I will be cutting my hair into a shorter bob. It's gone to a length that it is very difficult for me to tie it up. I have to fully tie up, and so I can cover my whole head with a hair cover when I'm at work. So it's gone to that stage that I need trimming up. I usually do it on my own, especially when with the pandemic and all. It's very difficult to go into a salon nowadays. Now that again, we are back on lockdown, I've decided to just cut it on my own again. I've done this several times in the past. I sometimes just needed a little bit of help trimming at the back portion when it's all done. So I will be asking my daughter and later on to do that for me. But for the most part, I just cut it the whole length on my own. So yeah, if you like this kind of video, please stay tuned and consider subscribing if you haven't yet already. And yeah, without further ado, let's cut my hair into a shorter bob. So when I cut my hair, I usually wear something white, so it's easy for me to see my hair, the part of my hair that I have to cut. And then I have a pair of scissors, two pairs of scissors, and ties and comb. So I sometimes use spray, water spray, but today I think I'm just not gonna do that. And so I already trimmed my hair last week, so I don't have to do it again. I already cut it short. And so today it's just really my length. So what I usually do is cut my hair at the back. Right, so I usually do that like that, and then it's easy for me to cut to the length that I want. So as you can see, that portion there is still, it's longer than the front. So that's when my daughter has to cut it later on at the back. So So I feel so much better already. So now I just have to trim. I love it, guys, and I feel so much lighter. So I just have to do this bit. So we just have to, I just have to level that one to the shorter one. So that's it, guys. It's all done. I think this is the shortest I've had for a very long time. Yes, this is the shortest since summer. Last summer I cut my own hair also, this short. So yeah, so I feel so much lighter. So I'm not a hairdresser at all, so don't do this at home if you haven't done it before, because you're just gonna ruin your hair, and especially if you don't have anybody with you, you know, to trim it if something goes wrong. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this short and but sweet video. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, and please do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me. And hit like and share. Leave a comment, whatever you wanna say to me, or you wanna request for future videos. But yes, thank you for watching. Bye.